botanist Sir Albert Howard, who worked as an agricultural researcher in India and encountered the use of all these traditional methods in agricultural farming and advocated its use in the West. Here, as you can see in this model, there is a stable and a poultry farm. Here, all the milk and the eggs help the farmer to earn his basic needs. Here, the cattle is being fed with the fresh grass, which is either obtained with the main crop or even grows in a plain field. Here, the animal excreta is turned into compost by mixing soil. As we know that in organic farming, use of biofertilizers and biopesticides is usually promoted. In the field, the farmer uses the compost and blue-green algae as a biofertilizer, which helps in nitrogen fixation. That means the plant can contain that nitrogen directly from the soil. Whereas in the form of biopesticides, the farmers use turmeric and neem leaves. If we talk about India, the state Sikkim was awarded as the state which produces the most organic farming production in India in 2016. And whereas in the world, Australia is the country which produces 54% of the organic production in the world in its 135 million hectares land. And in India, it is 2% of all the organic production in the land of 140 million hectares.
Hello everyone, I am Kani Bahini
And I am Gunju.
and we are from Shanti Asiatic School, Surat. Today we have a project for you on vertical farming. Vertical farming, as the name suggests, is nothing but growing plants on top of each other to save working capital and water. There are mainly three techniques for vertical farming: hydroponics, aquaponics and aeroponics.
Aquaponics. Aquaponics is a slightly advanced method than that of hydroponics. Here, the most important aspect are the fishes, the fecal waste and the urine of the fishes, which contains high amount of ammonia get mixed with the water. And when the water goes up to the grow beds, this water gets converted by the bacteria into nitrate and nitrite, which helps the plants to grow.
Lastly, we have solar truck. Solar truck has solar panels on top of it. It is a very advanced truck to control the temperature conditions when the crops are transported from one place to another.
So now let's talk about the advantages of aquaponics farming. First advantage is as it requires less space than the traditional farming. It also requires 90 to 75% less water than the traditional farming. The crop doesn't affected by the weather conditions as it is maintained by favorable conditions.